I think we're in a quick mood. Here's a nice wee oldie for you this time. I know that you've been fooling around with me right from the start. So I'll take back my ring and I'll take back my heart. And when you're tired of fooling around, we will agree. Just come on home and fool around with me. I wasn't fooling around with you, I said I do. But many nights I wish that I'd been fooling too. I know it's foolish taking all this misery, but when it's you, a fool I'll always be. I know that you've been fooling around with me right from the start. So I'll take back my ring and I'll take back my heart. And when you're tired of fooling around, you agree. Just come on home and fool around with me. So honey, fool around, you know where I'm at. Don't worry if I'm lonesome, 'cause I'm used to that. I know it's foolish taking all this misery, but when it's you, I do, I'll always be. I know that you've been fooling around with me right from the start. So I'll take back my ring and I'll take back my heart. And when you're tired of fooling around, they will agree. Just come on home and fool around with me. Just come on home and fool around with me. Never one more, maybe two, you two. A wee slow one. A nice bit of Merle Haggard for you this time, slowing it right down. You want to sing along now? Today I started loving you again. I'm right back where I've really always been. I got over you just long enough to let my heart expand. And today I started loving you again. And today I started loving you again. The old hag, Mary Haggard. Let's speed it up one more time. With, let's just say the legend, you'll know who I'm talking about, from Brian Paul. It takes people like you to make people like me. From the shores of Alaska down to sunny Tennessee. From New York City to Los Angeles. It takes people like you to make people like me. The skies may turn gray for a while. It can brighten each day with a smile. And wherever you go, I want you to know it takes people like you to make people like me. It takes people like you to make people like me. From the great Rocky Mountains to the shores of the sea. From the sands of the desert to the tall oak tree. It takes people like you to make people like me. Those skies may turn gray for a while. It can brighten each day with a smile. And wherever you go, I want you to know it takes people like you to make people like me. It takes people